Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Intern Nexus. So in this video I am going to explain you about the Angular 2 plus version, Angular 2nd plus version, and here we have currently Angular 13 active now, and so I'm having an Angular 13 version installation here and everything. So let's begin with this video. So in this video we are going to cover I'm going to cover basically what is introduction of the Angular, and then we have like dependency to install the Angular application, then we have how to install the Angular application, how to generate the Angular project, and then we have Angular application directory overview, and then we have Angular application demo. So these topics we are going to cover in this entire video. So let's begin with the session. So here, what is Angular application? When we talk about what is Angular application, so Angular is a development platform built for TypeScript and as a platform. A component-based framework. Angular is a component-based platform or framework. Why we are calling for the component-based framework? Because for everything, whatever the things we want to build for the web application, whether it's a header, footer, or anything else, or any other page we want to load, it is coming as a component. We building a new component. So that is why we call that it's a component-based framework. And here we have a collection of well integrated libraries inside the Angular that I will let you know after during the installation of this Angular application. And then we have different tools to set up and to check whether the application is running or not, or how to debug these applications. So let's begin with the Angular here. So whenever we going to install about the Angular, whenever we are going to install the Angular application, we need some dependencies. So in this video we'll covering the dependencies, what dependency required to install the Angular application. So here in my screen you can see that for installing the Angular application we need the Node.js. So what is Node.js? So basically here I am typing. So what is Angular Node.js? So here is what I am typing here. So it's when we talk about the Node.js. So here you can see at nodejs.org. So basically this is the official website which we are going to see here. That first of all you need to install this application. Here I have already installed that Angular application, so I am not going to install it again. And so how to check whether you have currently you have downloaded that Angular, whether the Angular is in your application or not, how you can check this. So to check this whether the Angular is installed in your the node is installed in your application or not, you need to visit node space -v. That is for the version. If it's representing, if it is showing some version here, you can see that it means the Angular application and node is already installed in your system. So now next once you install the node application, you need to install the Angular. But before the node when we talk about the late to the 2016, we have to install the two different dependencies all alone. The first is a Node.js and another is npm. But now in 2017 onwards, Node.js binded with the npm packages as well. So once you install the Node.js, it also simultaneously install the npm as well. So now for now, if you want to install the Angular, you do not need to install a npm separately, but yes, npm helps you to install the Angular application or Angular. So apart from this, what is Node.js? So Node.js is basically the environment which runs the server, and it's a server-side application. But when we talk about the npm, so npm is just providing you the supporting libraries here. So if you want to see here, that you can see when I am typing npm js you can see here that you can see when we talk about the npmjs.com, you can see there is lots of dependencies, lots of libraries are available here, and here you can find in total we have a search application as well, search option as well we have here, and then you can find whatever the packages you like, you can download it from here, and you can install it from here. So for an example, if you want to install any application, just type here. Let's suppose if you want to install the Angular here, you can type, or any Angular CLI, any npm Angular version if you want to install here, you can start like Google here, you can start searching from here. So here you can see that Angular CLI here, and we have a command like this. So here you can see that how to install the Angular. So whatever the packages you want to install. So after installing the node, it is it becomes very easy to install the Angular now. So now let's starting the installation of the Angular. So what you need to, what is the step to install the Angular application after installing the node dependencies? The command to install that npm space I for install. So basically it's a very short notation for the install that we are writing here. In place of I you can write the install as well, and the same command it is running with the I and that for the install. So npm space I space -g at Angular/CLI. So this is the basically entire command which we have to install the Angular here. So when I'm typing here, it shows me that it installing some dependencies here, it installing some modules here, and that will give me the Angular CLI. So Angular you can install also from the GitHub repository, but apart from that, what I am suggesting to you, just follow the Angular CLI version, so that after that you can generate multiple of components and everything through your command line interface. You do not need to do that manually. So here you can see that Angular has been installed in my system, and now you can check whether it is installed or not installed. So just type ng space minus. So now here you can see that how to check whether which Angular version I am using here. So you can see here ng space version, it shows you the Angular version 14 we have here, that is Angular 14. So now we have updated Angular. So that 14 is just released on I think 13th of June list. So thank you for watching this video, and keep subscribing us, keep like us, and if you have any doubts you can comment in the section. We will be more happy to resolve your issues, whatever the issues you facing installing the Angular and other technology stuffs. So thank you everyone for watching this video, and we'll be updating the next video soon with the Angular component in more details.